My name is Christy Lee. I'm the Managing Director of Platinum Solar Designs. Recently, we were given the opportunity to visit China. We were invited by our main wholesaler, which is Solar Juice. We had a jam-packed agenda, which was really exciting. We were able to visit manufacturing facilities for panels, inverters, battery technology, mounting systems, and even the Tesla Gigafactory. Solar Juice have been a huge part of Platinum Solar Designs and a heavy supporter of our business. I haven't been myself back to China since before COVID, so being able to actually see the technology advancements in the manufacturing processes and being able to see the level of automation was huge for us. So an advantage that we had throughout the trip was we were able to get really up close and within the lines of manufacturing, which we would usually only be able to experience from behind a glass panel. It gave us extra insight and intel into the products and how they're made and manufactured. And now we can take that knowledge and share it with our customers. Solar Juice is one of the largest wholesalers here in Australia, and they have been a huge support of Platinum Solar Designs for the last decade. They provide high quality product and also back it up with a really strong service, which is why we align ourselves with Solar Juice. We just like to thank them for the tour and their hospitality. We found it very rewarding, very insightful. We're very grateful for the trip and we will find it very helpful and a huge benefit for Platinum Solar Designs moving forward.